To Yardstyle live.
Now girl, try your buck up on Mr. Love. And your love is security for surety. Jack Radic and ready to tell the girls that I will love them, man. Come.
Well, you have caught me, baby. You have caught me,
I will love the girls, them, man.
and I'm falling in love with you. You are young in age, so let's roll along. Cause the future is here, my dear. Your future is here, my dear.
Now tell a star, cause it is guaranteed. Tell you this I love, no need no warranty. I'll take care of you, and me say yes indeed. You I will care, and me say I will feed. Now you understand, I've been a rover all over the world. I've been to bed with so many girls, but little girl you're number one in my world. Worth more than diamonds and pearl. Day by day I love you more and more, because my loving is ever so sure. Cause it is guaranteed. Tell you this I love, no need no warranty. Yes a little girl, cause it is guaranteed. Tell you this I love, no need no warranty. You I love for sure, and me say yes indeed.
Gonna have happy times together, yeah. We gonna live a life for each other, baby. We gonna sound the trumpet loud and clear,
Let them hear it.
and tell
Trumpet
the
of
world
love.
of our newfound love, girl. Tell the world of our newfound love.
For real, cause if it, me sex was a play hard to get. Recently man she have to accept. When it come to loving Reggie, step him are the best in the north, south, east or west. And this little girl she love up her fanciness. Watch her a muggle. Now in her pretty dress, watch her a muggle, but she still a deal with the progress. Cause it's guaranteed. Yes, so this a love, no need no warranty. Yes, a little girl, cause it is guaranteed. Yes, so this a love, no need no warranty.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.